Get cozy, little cutie. Oh my goodness. Willie, look, come here. Look. That's Sissy's blankie. You smell it? That's Sissy's blankie, see? Willow. Good girl. What did you find? Give me that. What's going on? Willie, you be nice. Come on. What are you doing, little girl? Good night. And she's out. Or not. Just resting. And this little boy over here's laying down and wants to rest because Sissy kept him up all night last night, but he's doing okay. Mom, on the other hand, is tired. I have a large cup of coffee. Yeah, so here we are. It's, I don't know what time it is. I don't know, it's like 11. She slept pretty good in her crate last night. She woke up 3 times at like, they were all really close together. She slept for like 5 hours straight, and then she woke up at just before 4, around 6, and then again at 8:15, and I was like, girlfriend, I need to sleep. So then she fell back asleep at 8:15. We went back to bed until 10, around 10:15, I think. I think it was like 10. So not too bad. And she did go potty every single time she started crying last night. We took her out of her crate, brought her outside, put her in the grass, and she did go potty every time. So I at least know she wasn't just whining to get out of her crate. She, so far, after one night, likes it, so that's exciting. I wanted to film them meeting each other last night, Willow and Willie. No. I couldn't even because he was so on edge. You guys have heard me talk before how he's a little bit reactive to people, especially being close to me and dogs, like when we're out on walks or something. So you guys have heard me talk about this before. He is getting better. We're trying to work with him. It is obviously hard for me right now sometimes to be like, hey, let me, spend half an hour every few hours a day to train him. Which is funny because we took him to training classes when he was a puppy and we kept with it. I don't know. My theory is that because he's been home with me every day, all day since 4th of July weekend, and it's mid-September now, almost end of September. I think his protectiveness is worse because he is glued to me at all times. He's laying with me. He's walking next to me. He's seeing what I'm doing. I cannot even go to the bathroom. I can't shower by myself. He is right there at my feet or right outside the tub every single time. So I think it was not easy for him. And I know you're supposed to have your dogs meet in like a neutral setting. Well, it was almost 11 o'clock when I got home with her last night. So we were not going to a neutral setting. So I came in with her stuff, put it on the ground, let Willie smell it, and he seemed fine. And then he saw her, didn't care, and then all of a sudden cared big time. So we went outside and held her and just let him kind of come up to her and do his thing. So today they're doing much better. I had a few clips before this that I put in. So they're doing a lot better. He now just really wants to play, and he's used to playing with my mom's dog, who's like 55 pounds. And he just wants to really go, and she's just like, back off, man. So it's funny. I'll try and get a clip of them playing. It's very short-lived because she either gets distracted by something or he gets cranky with her because she's not doing what he wants, because, you know, that's how he is. So I figured I would take you guys with me. This is kind of my, I guess, intro. I've been rambling, but I'm gonna take you guys with me for the day. I have a few things to tidy up, but I knew this day was coming, so I have been pretty on top of keeping the house pretty clean. Yeah, so let's just see how a day in the life with a new puppy goes. I'm gonna go finally get dressed and finally eat something. Yeah, cool. Let's go. All right. Willie is, his eyes were just closed, but he snuggled up next to Mom. And little Willow is sleeping half under the couch. So that's fun. Let's play a game. Where's Willow? There she is. Okay, so she thinks she's stuck in that chair. She was just sitting there crying and crying. Oh, she's figuring it out. What are you doing? What's Sissy doing? Why are you crying? Willie. You guys are cute. Willie. That's a good boy, you be gentle. So I was doing some work and I have Willie here and I couldn't find this little one and she was asleep under the couch. Silly girl. So I'm getting some work done. And Willow is under here on my feet. And Willie's finally relaxed. You having a snack? Willie's turn. Nope. Okay, there's no way this little girl already knows to go out here to go potty. There's no way. Oops, there she is. She might though, so let's go find out. Go ahead. That's okay. Go ahead, little girl. Come on. Willow. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. She hates her collar so much. Come on. Let's go. You bother your big brother. Come on, little girl. Come on. Doorways are not her favorite thing. Look, go get your brother. There he is. Go get him. Come on. Come on. Come on. Willie, be nice to her. Move your little butt. Willow, come on. All right, come here. Come on. That's a good girl. Let's see. That's a good girl. Maybe she does know to go to the door, to go outside. That is such a good little girl. That's such a good little girl. Yeah. And there's my good boy over there going potty too. They're cracking me up right now. Where are they? I don't mind the laundry that has to be folded. There's a good boy. What are you doing, little girl? What are you doing? Willie's trying so hard to play gentle with her, and he just doesn't know how. That's totally not his MO. Get it, Will. Go ahead. Willie. Oh my goodness, he's crazy. Willie. No. You guys, that's my lunch over there, getting cold. Easy. Look at you, scared her.
We use a ton of different factors to get you approved, not just your credit score.
I got approved.
I told you, 99% of people do. Go to drivetime.com, get approved, and see if you qualify for $0 down.
I don't even know where her head is.
Kids, I lost my job at
No, it's under the couch.
This will be our new home. Okay.
Willow is taking a nap over there. And Willie is enjoying some extra loving from Mom, uninterrupted. So I knew it was going a little too well, because this little girl is under the bed. Don't mind all the dust under there. all Mom wanted to do was wash the sheets and make the bed. And she just wanted to go under it. Wish me luck getting her out. Okay, you guys, it is not even 8:30. It's almost 8:30. This little nugget is over here. And Willie is right there. We are all really tired. It's been a long day. My mom is actually getting into town tonight. She'll be here in like an hour. So I'm gonna end off this vlog, day in the life with a puppy. First day with puppy. I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but you guys know what I'm talking about. We are going to relax and just wait for my mom and her dog to get here, because then more chaos will ensue. And I know I will forget to end off this vlog if I don't end it off now. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed hanging out and meeting this little cutie. Did I ever tell you guys her name? Her name is Willow, because our other dog is Willie. I don't know, I always said when I got a girl wiener dog, I would name her Willow. So, here we are. Alright, you guys? Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below before you leave so we can hang out more often. Bye!